All natural ways to keep mosquitoes away. Are you going camping or just going for a walk on a hot summer day? Yes, these are all outdoor activities, but they can be ruined by mosquitoes too. You can use natural and highly effective mosquito repellent materials. First, drop an amazing drop of lavender oil on your skin. Rub it and continue your day near mosquitoes while nourishing your skin. Spray lavender oil in your bedroom or use any lavender-scented room freshener at home. You can also grow lavender in your garden to make sure mosquitoes stay away from your home. Number 2, tea tree oil is exceptionally effective against mosquitoes. Free tea tree oil can also help to get rid of the effect of mosquitoes on your skin. Number 3, vanilla, which mosquitoes cannot tolerate. All you have to do is make it a natural vanilla spray whenever you're going for a walk. Make 2 teaspoons of vanilla with 1 cup of water, put it in a spray bottle and spray yourself with it. And after a few minutes, this buzzy little bugger will be gone. Just make sure the vanilla is pure and does not contain any added sugar or alcohol. 4th, black pepper. It's in your kitchen now. Black pepper protects your body from mosquitoes, flies, and other insects. Thanks to something called picarin, it's a chemical. This ingredient allows you to mask your natural scent so you're not on mosquitoes' radar. Black pepper cannot kill mosquitoes in your home. It only prevents mosquitoes from biting you. Just put a little black pepper oil on your skin. Make sure not to put too much of it to be well. Number 5, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a multi-purpose remedy that can help you with any potential problem, including mosquitoes. So, use an apple cider vinegar repellent spray to scare them away. Put water and apple cider vinegar in equal proportions in the spray bottle and wait for the result. The next morning, you will find that all the mosquitoes have long disappeared. You can also add a few drops of essential oils, such as eucalyptus oil or lemon oil. Rub some apple cider vinegar on the open areas of your body to keep mosquitoes away. Some experts claim that if you put a little apple juice in your meals regularly, it will naturally produce a body odor that repels insects. One thing is for sure, apple cider vinegar is one of the most powerful natural mosquito repellents out there. Number 6. So, water is an easy-to-make remedy and very difficult to combat mosquitoes since they are usually very attracted to it, which is why you can use it to your advantage, or you just want to get mosquitoes out of your home for good. Place a dish of soapy water nearby. After a few minutes, you'll notice that the mosquitoes pop the bubbles and drown. However, the effectiveness of this trick also depends on the amount of soap you use. The higher the concentration, the faster the mosquitoes die. If you're using more of a spray, just use a soapy water spray. It is also known to be highly effective against mosquitoes, cockroaches, and other insects. Number 7. Like vanilla, the strong, refreshing scent of mint is another thing that most of us love and certainly hate mosquitoes. All state universities study the repellent properties of extracts from various plants, including mosquito repellent plants. Growing it in your garden can also be a good solution against mosquitoes, while also providing you with a healthy natural addition to your diet. Number 8. Garlic. Its smell is something that not everyone can tolerate. I believe that mosquitoes will never fly in your direction. Taking garlic oil eventually releases from your pores, creating a strong barrier between your skin and mosquitoes to prevent you from being detected by mosquitoes. Use garlic spray on your body, home or yard, or lavender or tea tree oil. Create a scent. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, click subscribe, and activate the bell to receive all new updates. See you in the next episode. Bye.